Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink on an HP Envy printer. So this right here is the HP Envy 7645. And so the ink that I'm using is the 62XL value toner printer ink. And so what we're going to first do, first I'm going to go ahead and grab our ink, and we're just going to go ahead and open both of them. So we have one for black, and we also have one for colored, the colored one. So now once we have both of these open, I'm just going to set it to the side. They're each going to come in like cartridges that look like this. Now with the HP Envy printer, you want to go ahead and lift it up from this tab here. So if you lift up the top, this is going to be the scanner. But if you lift up the tab, this is what it's going to look like. And so right there is the ink cartridges. But if I go ahead and kind of set it down like that, you're going to go ahead and pull the ink out. So I'll show you how to do that real quick. So with the ink, you simply just press this, push it down, and it's going to come off. And as you can see, just take note of the bottom portion. And that's the front portion. So it was placed like that. So we're going to go ahead and grab our colored ink that looks like this. So the sticker is going to face upwards, and it's going to be inserted like this direction. So the other thing you need to do is that you need to make sure to remove this tape here. So now it just looks like that. And we're just going to go ahead and insert it and press it forward, and you should hear it click. So same thing with the black portion. You're just going to press it down and it should unlock. Set this one to the side, grab the new black ink, remove the blue tape that says pull. So we're going to go ahead and see how it says pull. We're going to pull that. Now do not remove this chip right over here. And then same orientation, sticker up top, face it downwards, and push it until you hear a click. So there you go. You now hear the click, and close your printer, and that should be it. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and replace the ink on your HP Envy printer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.